Hi there, students. Lanky. Lanky is an adjective which means tall and thin, but not graceful in movement. We use lanky to talk about people. So many basketball players are extremely lanky. You've seen them, 2 meters 20 tall. So lanky, gangly and tall. Being lanky is as big a problem as being short. Let's see, lanky normally talks about a man. He's got long, thin arms, long hands and fingers, narrow shoulders. I think at least 1 meter 80 tall, and I would say normally more than 2 meters. If someone is lanky, they are not elegant and graceful when they move. They are ungainly. So it's very difficult to be elegant and graceful with such long, thin limbs. There was a lanky boy in my class at school who we called 6 meters. Yeah, it was his nickname. Although we could have just given him the nickname of Lanky. Lanky's quite common as a nickname. So, the man was at least 2 meters tall. He was all lanky and leggy. Notice in English as well we have another adjective, lank, which means thin and slender. And you can also use lank with the same meaning as lanky. But it's much more common to use lank to describe hair. It's hair that's long and straight and rather lifeless. It's limp. It hangs down without a great deal of texture, and it's often greasy as well. So you could say she had lank blonde hair. Lank means thin and slender, and I would suggest use lank for hair and lanky to mean tall. Lanky is much more common for tall people. So, yeah, he was a lanky youth with lank hair. Yeah, both those words sound really quite good. Okay, so lanky, tall, thin and ungainly, not elegant in movement. So, what about formality? I would give lanky maybe 4.5 to 5 in formality. So it's tending towards the informal side. You could definitely use it in an informal conversation. You could use it in maybe a semi-formal writing, but I think in something, if you're writing something very formal, I wouldn't suggest using this word. Use tall, thin, ungainly as well. Okay? Now, next question. What about the origin? Well, there was an Old English word, hyank, which meant lanky. And there's a German word, lenken, to turn round. I'm not sure how that's actually linked. Okay, so lanky, an adjective to describe somebody who's very tall. They've got long arms, long fingers, a long body, narrow shoulders, and they're not very elegant in the way they move. They are gangly and ungainly. Okay, so there you go, a new word. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Lanky.